Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. A reliable tech analyst revealed new information. Samsung is focusing on the Galaxy S26 Ultra, while the S26 Plus is getting minimal production volumes. In addition, according to the latest preliminary data, Samsung is also focusing on extreme memory configurations, hardware upgrades, and changes. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Samsung has launched mass production of the Galaxy S26 Plus, which will be the smallest model in the new S26 series. According to sources, production volumes for this version will be lower than those of the base S26 and the top-end S26 Ultra. Insider Ice Universe commented on a recent report from the ELEC about a larger standard version of the S26. According to information from South Korea, the S26 Plus will retain its predecessor's 6.66-inch screen, although marketing materials may list it as 6.7 inches. The base S26 model, meanwhile, will be slightly larger than the S25, so the Plus version's Plus screen will be relatively smaller. According to sources, the S26 Plus display panel is virtually identical to the S25 Plus. A new OLED display was originally planned for the S26 Edge, but after that device's cancellation, the company decided to retain the same components. The main changes are limited to the protective glass and minor manufacturing details, while the display's specifications remain the same. This January, the manufacturer plans to produce approximately 700,000 units of the standard S26, approximately 600,000 units of the S26 Plus, and 3.6 million S26 Ultra models. These figures demonstrate the company's primary focus on a high-performance flagship. In addition, a network analyst nicknamed Anthony revealed new information about the top-of-the-line Samsung Galaxy S26 smartphone on X. The smartphone in question is the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. This year, Samsung will finally release a version with 16 GB of RAM globally. This is the RAM capacity of the most expensive 1 TB variant. Yes, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra was previously available with this configuration, but only in limited quantities and not in all markets. Anthony adds that the memory speed will be 10.7 Gbps. This also applies to the more basic models, the Samsung Galaxy S26 and Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus. The insider also stated that, for the first time, the 512GB version of the Samsung Galaxy S26 will be sold globally. The new flagship Galaxy S series will premiere on February 25th, with sales expected to begin on March 11th. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.